Welcome back to this new series that I'm doing of me renovating my room completely. I've already done this closet. As you can see, this is the before and that's the after. And now it's time for me to remove everything from my room, empty it as much as possible. As you can see, it's a mess right now, but all I have to do is empty everything and paint away. Hey gems, it's Cassjcass. Welcome back to my channel. I'm not even going to waste time telling you to do something that you already know. Hint and hint again. My room is completely empty now. I don't know what was going on with these. I don't know. And I've also bought like something to patch all these holes. Look at this. Like, I really went crazy. These blue wallpapers have been there for at least 3 years and they are very hard to come off. That's my biggest regret in putting them. So now I have to kind of do that with the knife, and it's also ripping the whole wall off. I guess it will be what it is. As you can see, I messed the whole wall up. It is not good at all. And I have been told that I can't just paint on this because it has this white thing for a reason. So I had to go to Home Depot to get this wallpaper stripper. So that way I could remove all these. I started removing that with the knife, but there was too much dust and I don't do dust. So I went to Home Depot to get this, and that way I could spray it. And I'm also spraying it with this. I bought that because I'm lazy. So I'm going to be spraying everything. Hopefully it works, because this has been a long journey. I did not expect it to be doing all that. So yes, I'm going to be stripping it off, I guess, and then I have to paint it with the paint and primer before I could paint it with the actual semi-gloss that I bought. So let's just hope everything works out for the best. I also bought this component, and that's the mud that I'll be using before I paint. Now that this is all clean, believe it or not, this is clean. I'm about to go with the mud on top of it and just, fix everything up. First coat. This is how the room looks like now after the second coat. As you can see, it is pretty much all covered. This looks darker than it doesn't look live. But all you're seeing right now is the residue from the glue, which was my last time ever using that. But now I'm about to paint it with primer, paint and primer. So let's see how the first coat looks. We are done with first and second round of painting. Now I'm about to be using the semi-glossy paint. That way I could have the shine that I always wanted. This is the final look. I am so happy I was able to patch up this wall and fix everything together. As you can see, if you remember from the beginning, you see how it was all messed up and I took full responsibility, but now it's fixed. So don't forget to come up for next week. I'm going to be painting my furniture because I'm tired of the color. And don't forget to check out my last video that was for the closet. Guys, this is just all fun for me, to be honest. I can't wait and I'm so excited.